Hey everybody, it's your teacher, Mr. Dixon, Michael Dixon, whatever. And a lot of you had questions about indefinite and definite articles on one of the assignments. So I'm gonna make this little short video of what to do and how to do it. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email or a text. And we have a student online, Shannon, that will probably ask questions if she has them as we go, and hopefully they'll clarify what to do. All right, everybody. So just to recap, everybody. All right, is my screen sharing yet for you, Shannon?
No, sir.
All right, it should be in just a second. Is it now?
No, sir.
Oh, man. All right. Don't you love technology?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Is it sharing now?
Yes.
All right, cool. All right, just to review, everybody. Um, when you, for definite articles, I'm going to write a little quick thing about definite articles. For definite articles, everybody, for definite articles, everybody, that is just simply how do you say the or the in English, however you want to pronounce it. And you're talking about a certain item or a person like, the boy or the dog or the cat or anything like that, okay? Now, in French, there are four ways to say the. There's le, la, les, and L apostrophe. Okay. In French, all words are either going to be masculine or feminine. And all words in French are either going to be singular or plural versions of masculine or feminine words. Okay. So le, everybody, is the word for masculine. Okay. For example, you have le garçon, the boy. Let me zoom in just a hair. Okay. Le garçon, the boy. Le, I can't think of a word right now. My mic's going wet. Le chien, the dog. Le chat, the cat. That means the boy, the cat, the dog, etc. Okay. Now, when a word, okay, la, everybody, is used for feminine. For feminine words, such as la fille, the girl, la femme, the woman, la chatte, the cat, but that's a girl cat, or le chien, or for the dog, but that's a female dog. So la, everybody, is the feminine word. Now, then you have lay. Lay, everybody, is plural. That means more than one, and it's both used for masculine and feminine. Okay. For example, le garçon, the boy, in plural, would become les garçons. Now notice you still don't pronounce the yes at the end. And my cat decided to join me for a second. Go away. Okay. La fille, the girl, becomes les filles, the girls. Like, once again, you don't pronounce the yes in the form. Okay. All right. All right, Shannon, any questions about that so far? Is that pretty much straightforward?
That's pretty much straightforward.
Okay. Now, L apostrophe, everybody, is used for masculine or feminine in front of a vowel or silent H. Okay. For example, the tree, l'arbre. The tree is masculine, but you wouldn't know that unless you know you have to learn it with the word. And l'arbre is masculine. Okay. Let's see. I'm trying to think of a French word that is begins with A. That's feminine. Can't think of anything off the top of my head, but just so this. Oh man, that was bothers me. All right. Anyway, all right. So basically, that's how the la, le, and L apostrophe work. So, mm, oh yeah, I just thought about a word. L'ami, excuse me, it was going to bother me. L'ami, which is female friend. Okay, but you also have in French l'ami without the N, which is male friend. Okay, now that's not saying boyfriend and girlfriend. That's saying a friend that's a girl and a friend that's a boy. Just for your own knowledge, if you want to say boyfriend in French, you say le petit ami, and in French, and a girlfriend would be la petite amie. Literally, you're calling them your little friend. I know it's not the greatest thing in the world, but it's not. Now you have something called indefinite objects. Okay. Indefinite objects is how we say a or an in English. And it means it's not a definite or certain person or thing. Like a car, a boat, a man, a ham, sorry, a man, a a pizza. Okay. Now, for those, there's three different ways. There's une, and des. All right. Is masculine. Okay. You have un garçon for a boy. You have un homme for a man. Or you have un bateau. Excuse me. Forgot the accent mark. Un bateau for a boat. Okay. Then you have une. Une is feminine. Okay. Une fille, a girl. Une femme, a woman. Un pizza, a pizza is feminine. It has has nothing to do with gender or anything. It's just, I mean, with gender, well, has something to do with gender of the item. It has nothing to do with who owns the item. The item itself is masculine or feminine. Now, you also have they. They is plural for both masculine and feminine. Des femmes, des hommes, des garçons. And basically, they translates as some. Some boys, some girls, some men, etc. Now, in French, you have to use un, une, or des, or the other ones, le, les, el apostrophe, or la, in front of the word. Whenever you learn a new noun in French, it's always best to learn un or une in front of it, so you know if the word is masculine or feminine, because it's going to change the entire meaning of the word. Excuse me, it's going to change the entire structure of the sentence and how you make the word agree with everything else in the sentence. Okay, so now let's get to the assignment. Okay, when you go to the assignment, when you go to the assignments, let's see. Okay, when you go to assignment, it's going to be in the same place in third and fourth block. Get that out of the way. All right. Okay, when you go to the assignment, okay, the assignment's down in see minor grades. Whenever it decides to load, my internet's not that great right now. Yeah, definite article worksheet. Okay. So what you're going to do is you just open it. Okay. If you open it in Google Slides, that'd probably be the best way to open it. Okay. Now, you, this is what I need you to do: is not freak out. Okay. I know these are a lot of words. Okay. But I'm going to show you easy way to do this. Okay. Whenever it decides to load. Okay, I'm gonna blow this up just a little bit so you can eat it. Okay. Okay, you can, let's see. There's a way to turn the slides off. I don't remember. Okay, anyway. So what you can do is, okay, you have, you, un, or day. So you're going to find out which one of these words up here is masculine, which one of these words is feminine, and so
We
forth.
still see the thing you were just writing on the. We don't see the one with the leaves on it. The one you're on now.
You don't see the one. You don't see the one.
Just the one you were just typing on.
Okay, hold on. I would. New share. Okay. Okay. What about now? You see the one with the leaves on it now?
Yep.
All right. Cool. All right. So what you're gonna do is let's just take the first one. Objet. Okay. Now you can either highlight it, write it down, or whatever you need to do. Objet. Okay. Then you go to the Collins Dictionary. Okay. Can you see the dictionary screen that I'm pulling up right now or not?
Yep.
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Click on French to English. Okay. Then up here. Okay. You're going to type in objet. Okay. Just like that. French. Make sure do double check that you're on French to English, not English to French. Then you search for it, and it's going to be masculine noun. That's the singular. So if it looks a little bit different, you can go ahead and assume for right now that it's going to be plural. So you would write it in this one right here. Okay. And I see where the confusion is because not everybody's able to do this. All right. Okay, I see what the problem is with this activity now. I thought this was a point. They told me you could write in the boxes. All right. All right. New thing. Okay. New assignment. Copy all these to a document. Okay. This I think this is going to be the easiest way to do this. Okay. I see now the aggravation and frustration with that. Okay. All right. So just copy these words to this document over here. Okay. and then you're just going to write what goes in front of them. So they wanted for these, uh, un, or day. Okay. So an objet we came up with was plural, so we're going to write that in front of it. Okay. Now let's just do the next one, horloge. Okay. If you don't know how to copy and paste, you highlight it, hit Control C, open the document, hit Control V. Okay. All right. So horloge. Okay. Whenever it decides to work. Horloge means clock, and it's feminine. So go back over here. All right. And you write un in front of it because it's feminine. Okay. Does that make sense? You see how to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and do one more. Okay. I guess let's do the next one, papier. You want to take a guess what that means?
Paper.
Yeah, very good. All right, so we'll go over here. Okay. Papier, masculine noun. Okay. So I'm gonna kind of call you out on the spot real quick. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think goes in front of papier? It's masculine.
UN.
UN. Very good. Okay. Now, the next, the bottom one, the bottom activity, okay, which is going to be, sorry, that was the second page. I did them out of order. But anyway, the second one has the same exact words in the top, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So they want you to put le, la, l apostrophe, or lay, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you've already done half the work, okay? Which is looking them up. So le, la, lay, and then you have then
L
you have
apostrophe.
thank you, L apostrophe. Okay, so now just copy the words and just look up here. Objects is plural, so what would go in front of there? LES. Okay. All right, the next one I'm going to go ahead and help you with because that one's kind of tricky. It is a
Mm-hmm.
silent H, so you're going to have an L apostrophe in front of it. Okay.
Okay.
What would this one be?
Ellie.
LE. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this, what should I call this? Notes and worksheet. And I want to share this with you on Google Classroom so you can just go ahead and just ignore these basically and just go straight to this and look up these words and decide what goes in front of it. Okay?
Alrighty.
Is that cool? All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, are there, you have any questions before I hang up, Shannon?
Um, no.
Okay. And if anybody in class has a question, please go ahead and email me. And Shannon, thank you for being the virtual student today. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.